Good morning. It's breakfast, but it's really just me up early this morning. Mind you, it's raining, storming, Norwegian outside. Just to get to the parking lot and my car is gone. And make sure you clean your machine. I don't need it. I don't need it. I need it. I'm sorry. I can't afford a baby in this economy. No. Good morning. It's breakfast, but it's really just me up early this morning. Took a workout class. I didn't have to record it, so the workout was way more intense. Way more intense. That don't even sound like proper English, but I didn't record the class because I already posted about it on my TikTok and on my workout Instagram collab with my personal Instagram. So I just got to enjoy, is that the right word to use? The workout in peace. But it's Saturday, and this is going to be like, I guess, day one of this week's Vlogtober. Y'all, that workout hit different when I ain't trying to post up my phone. She really took me out. And I took this Celsius in there. Child, this was nothing. This was nothing compared to what I had to do in there. And additionally, the whole workout, I'm like, oh my God, this is tough. I'm like, girl, you just ran for 30 minutes and then did Legree for 30 minutes. This is nothing. But what I will say is, I took that class on Tuesday. I didn't work out Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So I'm like, either I gotta get up and go to the gym today, or I gotta go to work class today. I chose the workout class. I chose the workout class for a little bit of structure, a little bit of, form. I did the BBL class at Groove Theory Fitness in South Orange, Maplewood. You know how they get down. But now, I've been fiending for this iced chai matcha latte from Wawa. So I think I'm going to go do that, which is another reason why I kind of took it light on this Celsius, because I don't want to do too much. I was going to cook dinner tomorrow, which I still want to do. And I was going to go to the store today, but it's literally raining. I didn't know we were supposed to have a nor'easter today. So I'm thinking, I know my girlfriend want to go to Trenton. I need to go home, wake her up. She's about to be pissed. But it's supposed to storm real bad tonight. Like, the government is shutting it down type bad. So I don't want to be out there all night. What time is it? 12. I can get home. We can go from 2. It's not even worth it. It's not even worth it going out there. I think they're supposed to do like a little state of emergency at 10 p.m. If we go at 2, we're going to get there at 3 and try to be home by 8. I mean, something's better than nothing, but I don't know if it's worth it. If she wakes up, cool. If not, we're not going, which is bad because I need my products for TikTok. So let me just dilly dally to Wawa, get this chai, and then go home. Chai matcha latte from Wawa. I use almond milk because I just be on my skinny girl, skinny body team. But you can get any milk you want. Usually I be like, oh, can I get extra ice? But don't need that. They make it well. Good morning. It's Monday and I'm up. And I will happen to wake up on time on the Monday when it's literally doing all the raining, hooting, and hollering outside. Literally. And even though it's raining, my dogs don't understand that it's raining outside. So they don't even care. But the thing is, I bought them some rain jackets a little while ago today's the perfect chance to wear them. So let me show y'all what they're giving, okay? I did get them both rain jackets, but I don't know where Sky's at. So this one, Maddie is in her rain jacket. She's not happy about it because Maddie does not like clothes. But we're gonna go outside for 2 seconds, okay? 2 seconds. This one is Sky. She's in her snowsuit. She likes clothes, right? I like to call her t-shirt when she wear her t-shirts. But we're gonna go outside fast. She's gonna use the bathroom and come back inside. That's all we're going to do today. Yes, we're gonna go. I was supposed to be vlogging my first day of the game day workout plan by Talia and Ariel. Why? When I woke up this morning, I got dressed. Y'all saw me. Dogs. Took them outside. Took them for a walk. Took them in the house. Dried them off. Got finished getting dressed. Grabbed my water, keys. Walked into the back to the parking lot. Mind you, it's raining, storming, nor'easter, Norwegian outside. Just to get to the parking lot and my car is gone. They came and towed my car. So mind you, that's like 7 a.m. I'm calling trying to find out like where's the car. They like, oh, we towed it because you only had a September tag. Now I do have the October tag. I don't know where it's at. So I just had to do Uber. Mind you, they take your car all the way across town. Many tow lots from here to there. All the way across town. Just got the car. And I don't know. It's just like, happy Monday, I guess. Like, am I late? AF. I'm late AF this morning. I literally had to sit in the bathroom and contemplate even coming to the gym. Like, literally. This morning, this gym almost didn't see me. I literally sat in the bathroom for 15 minutes just looking into space to find out if this is really worth it. Like, I'm not sure. Sometimes it's not as easy as just getting up and going some days. Yesterday was a very long day. Yesterday was a long day, and it just spilled over into today already at 7:25. But I knew that if I didn't get up and I didn't go, I would feel worse. So here's my best attempt of getting through my workout today. A new workout at that. Almost didn't see me. I should put you over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's literally 7:41. I just got done the first workout, which was single arm lat pull downs. So I have neutral grip lat pull downs, 2 sets of 15, and I do these a little bit. So this is nothing new. And then kettlebell single arm bent over row. She has a video for that. Kettlebell snatch I've done before. Supinated supported pull-ups I've done before. And then there's a circuit for core, which I may or may not get to because it's 7:42, and I'm leaving up out of here before 8:30. So let's get into that. Oh, I could have went up. That was 40. I'm gonna go 55. wasn't bad, but that was a lot of reps. It is 15. Yay. No gloves, and that was just tough. That was tough, but I could feel my pre-workout. I can feel my pre-workout kicking in. And make sure you clean your machine. These are the kettlebell dumbbell rows, kettlebell bent over rows that I haven't done in forever. So I'm gonna look at her video. All right, she at the back. Put my foot up a little bit. Put my arm down, and then she just pulled into about back straight back leg. And it's 2 sets of 10. Oh, I could have went up. Right now, I got 17.6. And I'm gonna try to have my foot back here to see if it make a difference. Oh, a little bit of a difference. Oh, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. So I'm thinking if I wanna. Nope, I don't, because I gotta do kettlebell snatches. So I'm just gonna do the same one and then pull ups. And then she got cardio, 30-minute cardio, all the way at the end. 6 minutes to 8. 6 minutes to 8. If I do cardio, that means I can leave at 8:30, but I'm probably not gonna be done in the next 6 minutes. See, this is why I gotta get up and come to the gym early. On repeat, okay? Just know that was hard. That's like my first time doing those in a long time. And I just felt like I was doing it wrong. I guess. Just my second set. She said as many as possible. Another machine that I haven't voluntarily picked. More. 5.5. Whoop-de-doo. My little swiveler, she just does what she wants. Like, why am I right here? You going all the way to the left, all the way to the right. Like, we're literally right here. But I came here for 3 things: spinach, ricotta, and eggs. And I might not even really need the eggs, but I'm going to get the eggs anyway, just in case I really need the eggs. Ricotta. A cracked egg. I would have been pissed. I don't like when the eggs have those little heartbeats. Nope. What are y'all doing to the chickens? I don't know. Just give me what y'all doing to the chickens. Kind of just made me not want to get eggs. To think that I literally thought about not even going to the gym, and I had a pretty decent workout. Like, it wasn't, oh come on, don't start. It wasn't nothing too crazy, but it was better than nothing. I haven't worked out. I was about to lie, because I went to the workout class on Saturday, but I feel like I haven't, been to the gym, which I haven't. I didn't go to the gym. I went to the gym Monday and Tuesday last week. And then Tuesday I went to that workout class. I literally haven't been right since I went to that workout class. I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, I enjoyed it. I'm going to go again, but I have not been right in the head, in the body, child, at all. So it is 8:19. I literally need to finish my TikTok. And then I got these as TikTok samples. Y'all know how much I love a hypochlorous acid spray. I'm trying a new brand today. What intrigued me, what made me want to try this brand, is the fact that they have wipes, which is the part that I'm about to promote on TikTok, because everybody has a spray, and they reached out to me to do something else, some type of earring or piercing cleaner. Like, do y'all see me with piercings? No. When I scrolled through their thing and I seen that they sell the wipe version of their spray, yeah the girls gonna love this. And even if they don't, I do. I said I do. You know I do. So I'm about to make another TikTok. I made one this morning. Oh, I keep on seeing this banana matcha from Starbucks, and it's just like, I don't need it. I need it. Alright, I'm gonna put you down here because I don't really want you in the gym. I just got done my workout, y'all. I made it. Amen. And y'all know how much I tell y'all, after that workout, y'all better be spraying y'all face with some hypochlorous acid. I got a new brand to try, but let me tell you something. Not only are they making the spray, baby, they got it in wipes. So when you on the go, when you don't want to carry your full size or your travel size out of the house, get you a little hypochlorous acid wipe. Are you kidding? When I saw this, I was like, yeah. I mean, it's as small as an alcohol pad, but that's literally all you need. All you need is a good wipe. I'm too geeked about this. Like, yes. I don't know why I'm acting like I can't wipe my face, but look at that. Baby. Yes. Child, they are on to something. thing. You hear me? Look how dirty my face was. Ugh, something right here is hurting. I don't know what that's about, but look at that. Ugh. Ugh. It's that pimple right there that I need to. Oof. Child, I done played this video about 20 times in my headphones. Hold on, let me disconnect so y'all can see what it's giving. Yeah, I made it. Amen. And y'all know how much I tell y'all after that workout. I don't know why I'm sitting here showing y'all the video as if y'all didn't just watch me make the video. Exactly. So I got 2 videos to post. I'm gonna get home and I'm going to do the caption and stuff for the first video I did in the car. And then I'm going to post a second video. And then I'm going to probably post another video again today, which is just going to be the vlog of me going to Mega Stride, the talking, because I did a video already of the vlog with music. Now I'm going to do the voiceover. And then I also got a new planner. Yeah, I was going to wait and get this planner that I saw. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, but really, child, I'm going to use a planner for the first 15 days of me saying I want to get my life together and then forget about it. So I just got one from Amazon. And why wait until December to get your life together when you literally can get your life together today? Why wait? Don't make sense to me. Some puppies didn't get to, let's go. Some puppies didn't get to go outside this morning. So they're having an afternoon walk. Hey, you can't catch a squirrel. You can't get it. I don't know how me saying, oh, I'm gonna go take them to the car me to drop off my parking pass so my car won't get towed again, and taking them with me just for a little bit of air then turned to a whole shindig. Child, we done ended up at the park. Like, and thankfully it warmed up from yesterday, because ain't nobody got time for that. I just got done an all-day meeting. I'm literally 57 minutes away from home. I didn't go to the gym this morning. Are we still boycotting Starbucks? If we are, skip this part. If we aren't, I had that banana cream protein matcha latte this morning. 10 out of 10. 1 cup of brown sugar did exactly what you needed to do. All right, now we're back. We're focused. I'm far as hell away from home, about an hour away. Last night I was pissed. I had to drive up here for a meeting, so I was looking on Google Maps. I could find me a little snacky snack in the area, which I did. I'm at Tachi bubble tea, poke bowl, sushi, burrito, ramen spot. I'm about to go in here. I'm gonna get me a sushi burrito, and I'm gonna get me a Thai milk tea, because why not? This is the place that I'm talking about. It looks cute in here, funsy. So I got the tachi burrito, white rice, no greens, spicy salmon, cucumber, avocado, jalapeno, mango, spicy mayo on it, but I got wasabi sauce, eel sauce on the side, ginger, seaweed salad. And she said the fried onion was good because like you need a little bit of a crunch, and they didn't have like the tempura. So she said the fried onion was good, so I got it. Oh, it smells good. This is what it looked like. Yes, take me through there. Take me through there. Yeah, I'm such a big bag. Such a big bag. All right, let me get a video for my TikTok. Yes. Yeah, I'm influenced. This is what it's looking like. That looks so good. And you know I got the Thai milk tea. This is good. All right, I got the wasabi sauce on the side, and I got the eel sauce on the side. TikTok time. Yeah, I'm in Wayne, New Jersey. I just came from a meeting, and last night when I was looking on the little maps to know like when I had to leave my house, I saw this place. It's called Tachi Bubble Tea Poke Bowl Sushi Burrito Ramen. So sushi burrito, a sushi burrito and a Thai milk tea on a Wednesday. Yeah, let me tell y'all what I got in there. Did I lose it? Chill. Oh wait, let me tell you what's in here before I give y'all the first bite. It's a tachi burrito, white rice, no green base, spicy salmon, cucumber, avocado, jalapeno, mango, spicy mayo inside, seaweed salad, ginger, and fried onion. Fried onion was the cashier's pick, because I wanted like tempura flakes, but they don't have that. So I'm like, girl, how other way, which way crunchy can I get it? And then I have eel sauce. If you don't eat eel sauce with your sushi, what are you doing? And I got wasabi sauce. All right, first bite. What is good there? This, I'm about to be fiend out. I'm about to be fiend out. Like, this is fire. This is so good, y'all. I don't even think she needs the eel sauce because the sweetness from like the mango, the spicy from the jalapeno, spicy salmon. Yeah. My back is too bad. Yeah. She is exactly who she thinks she is. Yeah. I got a 57-minute ride home. I wasn't even complaining. And the grandson was like, oh girl, I got an hour and 40 minutes. Shit and me. All right. I'm gonna try the next sauce and I'm gonna eat the rest when I get home. So this is like the ginger. No, this is the wasabi sauce. If you know about wasabi, baby, you know you only gonna need a little bit of that. You only gonna need a little bit of that. Hold on. I was supposed to taste it first. I just dunked it in there. I don't really like that. It's not spicy. That's good. Mmm. 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 Wasabi sauce. She wasn't really tea. It was sauce. She's that girl. Every single time. And right now she's sitting out in the bag. I don't know if my back is just big, but I give you a 10 out of 10. I would recommend, but I'm about to talk about something I don't want nobody to come find you. I don't even live up here. But I know next time I come up here, this is like my third time coming up here. I've never been here before. Tachi bubble tea. But they have poke bowls, sushi bowls, burritos, and ramens. Tea, let's go home. And I'm not gonna lie. You ever be going through the days and you feel like just something's not right, like just something is off and everything is just weird vibes? You can't get on track, you can't get on schedule, you can't stay committed, you can't wake up at 5 a.m. to go to the gym, like you want to eat everything up in your house, you got an attitude and you irritated, and then your cycle start, your period start, and you're like, oh, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, that's me this week. It's been a long, draining, eventful, nothing went my way week, and it's finally Friday. Amen. It's finally Friday. Like, y'all, Monday, I woke up. We in the middle of a nor'easter. A storm out. I'm dedicated. I'm starting a new workout plan. I'm like, yeah, I'm about to get to the gym. I get outside, car's gone. Why? They towed it. Why are you towing people's cars on a Sunday afternoon when you know that a Monday is a holiday? You're scamming. All right, fine. Whatever. I need the car. I go, Uber, get the car. Get back on track. Get to work. 12 o'clock. From 12 to 5 is the longest 5 hours I've ever lived. I tell no lies. Go home, trying to get back in routine. Tuesday, I get up, I go to the gym. Was I late? Yes, but I went. I got to the workout. The workout felt pretty good. I was still feeling a little of the remnants from Monday. So I wasn't in the best, but I was doing all right. Wednesday, I got a meeting with a whole bunch of other workers in the middle of WEST BUBBA. Do that mean I have to drive? Y'all know I'm the passenger princess. I got to drive 52 minutes all the way up to Wayne. I couldn't go to the gym. Thrown off because I was too anxious. I was mentally preparing myself to take that ride with a whole bunch of other people who normally take that commute in the morning. Disgusting. The road was disgusting. I made it safe. Thank you. Amen. Made it safe there. Made it safe home. Only good thing about that was me stopping at Tai Chi and getting one of those little sushi burritos, which I've seen forever and never ever had one. So finally had my chance to have one, and it literally was 10 out of 10. I dreamt about it last night. Literally dreamt about the burrito. Okay? Big back activities. Yesterday was Thursday. The cycle starts. And I'm like, aha. I get what's going on. I don't know about y'all, but the first day, I can sometimes push through on the second day. But that first day, baby, there's no gym. There's just cramps, pain, misery, tiredness, nauseousness, sickness, coldness. Like, that's what I dealt with yesterday. So you didn't see me yesterday because I was literally just apologizing for not having a baby. I'm sorry. I can't afford a baby in this economy. No. Didn't go to the gym. And I was like, okay, I'm going to just go tomorrow. One, I don't really like to use the temps unless I really have to use the temps. And day 1, not happening. Day 2, depends on how I feel. When I woke up this morning, it wasn't happening. So here I am. I only worked out Tuesday this week. And I was thinking I should put my gym stuff in my car and go to the gym after work. But I need to shower. So, sorry. Sue me for this week. Sue me, because nothing was accomplished besides going to work. And I barely did that. But it's Friday. I'm happy. I survived. Thank God for the day. Let's get in here. Get to it. So we can go home. Oh, I might get a new car today, but that we'll talk about later.
And can I have half barbacoa, half steak? And the veggies. Can I have a little bit more steak? Can I have a little bit more steak? A little hot salsa. Just a little bit. Yep. Cheese and sour cream. Can I have a little bit more cheese? And a little more sour cream.
I went to Chipotle and I got this chimichurri sauce that y'all been gassing up, so it better taste like something. I was on Twitter and I saw that it tastes like juicy boiled or some crab sauce. And I don't know why we would want that on our Chipotle. Want to taste it? This right here. So first, I'm gonna taste some without putting it on my Chipotle. Oh, you just need your Doritos. You can just get it out the bag.
I thought you were recording.
I am. It do taste like a seafood boil sauce. In my bowl, I got white rice, black beans, half barbacoa, half steak. And they really be putting half and half. I got the smallest, easiest, winkiest bit of fajita veggies, extra corn, sour cream, cheese, and hot salsa. It's okay. Y'all got it a little bit. Because this, she look a little different today, this vinaigrette. But she's who she thinks she is. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give that juicy boiled sauce a 3.